U.S. President Donald Trump signs an executive order today that allows private equity, real estate, cryptocurrency, and other alternative assets to be included in 401k retirement accounts. Crypto markets are primed to explode. Taking a look at the most recent crypto legislation to pass in the United States, the order clears the path for private equity firms and other fund managers to access trillions of dollars in Americans' retirement accounts. It opens up a vast new funding stream for managers of so-called alternative assets, those outside of traditional stocks, bonds, and cash. Supporters say the move modernizes retirement investing and offers Americans new options with potentially higher returns. However, critics warn that it injects too much risk into long-term savings, especially for workers who may not fully understand the complexity, volatility, or illiquidity of these investments. This is exciting news for crypto and an amazing time to be an early investor. But really quick, what if you could access blockchain data instantly from over 100 chains and power everything from AI agents to trading bots? Well, one project is doing exactly that, and it's already being used by giants like Fidelity and OpenSea. Covalent is basically the Google of Web3 data, offering sub-second verifiable blockchain data across more than 100 networks. This isn't just hype. They're clocking over 2 million API calls a day, with 95% of usage being paid. It's already trusted by Fidelity, Chainalysis, OpenSea, and Jump, and used in critical applications like wallets, tax reporting, AI agents, forensics, and RWAs. 30% of CQT supply is staked, earning 8 to 10% APY. They're actively buying back and burning tokens, meaning real value accrual. And their streaming API just launched, and it's already powering 50,000 plus bots in under a month. Plus, their upcoming vibe coding platform, launching end of Q3, will allow anyone to build AI native dApps, and every Vibe app integrates CQT, creating a full token usage loop. Even better, 98% of the token supply is already circulating. No unlocks, no surprises. And it's already listed on major exchanges like OKX, KuCoin, and Gate, with Binance and Coinbase possibly on deck. The bottom line, Covalent has real revenue, real usage, and is perfectly positioned for Ethereum L2s, AI, and DePIN narratives. Don't sleep on it. Check them out at covalenthq.com. Links will be in the description. XRP's recent price performance has analysts warning that the days of cheap XRP may be ending, and many might soon regret not buying sooner. Now trading around $3, XRP is down 5% this week, but up over 31% over the past 30 days, and nearly 500% year over year. Its breakout of $3.66 marked the highest price since the 2018 bull run, fueling growing confidence in a sustained rally. XRP community figure XRP tweeted that people may soon look at XRP's chart and say, "Dang, I wish I had some," hinting that regret is already creeping in as the price leaves its multi-year consolidation under $1. Others shared this outlook. Analyst John Squire previously called XRP under $5 a bargain, predicting significant long-term gains by 2030. Jake Claver went even further, suggesting XRP could surpass $1,000 if it delivers on its utility in global settlement systems. With real-world use in Ripple's payment network, plans for a stablecoin, RLUSD, and a growing ecosystem of tokenized assets on the XRP ledger, demand side pressure is expected to increase. Even mainstream media is catching on. USA Today recently called XRP the best crypto for investors with $500, citing strong fundamentals, real-world use, and an improving regulatory outlook, comparing it favorably to traditional investments like the S&P 500. Still, skeptics remain. Despite XRP's massive rebound, up over 790% since Jim Cramer called it a giant con in 2022, many investors remain on the sidelines. Now, some analysts believe XRP is entering a classic disbelief phase where price may go vertical while the doubters miss out. What do you think? Will XRP explode? Where do you think the price is headed? Drop your comments below. Hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do, and we'll see you in the next one.